It's that time again. What's for supper Wednesday? Now sit back and watch. Hope everyone enjoys and thank you for watching.
Hello folks, welcome back to What's for Supper Wednesday. This week what we're going to be fixing is Wendy's chili. It's just going to be a copycat version we found online here. What we're going to need is 2 pounds of fresh ground beef, 1 quart of tomato juice, 1 29-ounce can of tomato puree. We're going to use some crushed tomatoes that we can. 1 15-ounce can of red kidney beans drained, 1 15-ounce can of pinto beans drained, 1 medium large onion chopped, a half a cup of diced celery, a 1/4 cup of diced green bell pepper, a 1/4 cup of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 1/2 teaspoons of garlic powder, a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, a half a teaspoon of dried oregano, a half a teaspoon of sugar, and an 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Alright, I'm going to start browning up the burger and I'll be right back. Alright, now we're going to brown up our ground beef here. Seems like I'm the wrong side for me. Alright, now we'll just get it all chunked up here. We'll let it cook down. We'll drain the fat out. And then we'll be putting it in our pot here with all our other ingredients. We'll be back here in a few minutes. Alright, we got our burger browned up here. Now we're going to set it off to the side here. We'll let it cool down a minute. We'll let the burger get cooled off a minute. And then we'll drain the fat off of it and we'll be putting it in our pot here. Be back here in just a few minutes. Alright, we got our burger in here. We got it on medium heat. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put our seasonings in first. That way it gets really incorporated with the meat. Okay. Let me stir this up a minute. It said on the recipe it only calls for 1 teaspoon of cumin. We went ahead and went with 2 because it said you can use it for more flavor. Okay, put our tomato juice in. Oh, now stop the sizzle. We have our crushed tomatoes here. Tomato puree, we're just going to use our crushed tomatoes. It's about the same thing. Now our beans, you can use whatever beans you want to. We're just following the recipe. Make sure you drain them. Okay. That was the pintos. Here's the light red kidney beans, I should say. You can use whatever beans you want to in it. We like to put butter beans in ours, lima beans.
Black beans. Yeah,
black beans too. I really like the butter beans. It's probably one of my favorites there for chili, or even whenever you're fixing baked beans, I usually like to put some of that in there.
Celery is an odd thing.
Yeah, celery is an odd thing to put in the chili here.
But that's what it says Wendy's has it.
Well, I've never had Wendy's chili before.
I have.
Have you?
Pretty
Is it good?
Yeah.
Alright. Now, we got this all put together. What we'll do, we're going to let it simmer today. And we'll stir it about every 15 minutes. Mom, she'll probably make us some cornbread there with our beans. Or not beans, chili. Alright, we'll be back in a little bit. Alrighty, folks, we got it plated up here. Dad, give it a try.
Alrighty. Folks, I'm glad you didn't see my shirt. It dripped down on my shirt. I'm getting another bite here after I got done laughing with that there. It's got a real good flavor, folks.
Mom?
Like Carolyn, she said there, come over here and try it, Shug. You don't really need the celery, I don't think.
And more beans. Of course, we like
Definitely
a lot
more
of beans.
beans. Got a real good flavor.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Seasoning's really good.
Get one more here.
It's not too spicy, not too
No.
too mild.
It's really good, folks. Finish it off, Dan.
Alright. Folks, I want to thank y'all for watching. If you haven't already, please like the video, subscribe. We'll be seeing you Friday. Thank you again for watching. Folks, before I let y'all go, I want to let y'all know that Debbie over at Debbie's Kitchen is going to be having a first day of winter collab. It's an open collaboration. It's going to be December 21st. What you'll do is you'll fix either a soup or a casserole. I just want to let y'all know in case you want to join in. Now, folks, we'll see you Friday. Thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Thank you again for watching. Stay safe. Have a blessed day.
Folks, thank you for watching and hope you have a blessed day. Stay safe and we will be seeing you soon.